Hi, I'm the guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Today I'm going to show you the way to make garlic bread the way I know how, with some added ingredients if you don't mind. Let's begin. First, we need bread. You can use bread of any kind, but the bread I use is just ordinary off-the-shelf bread, very thinly sliced, you can see. And first, what we're going to do, every piece of the bread, we need to butter it. I'm going to show you just one piece, the rest are buttered. Just apply the butter on evenly until the ends of the bread, because we are going to eat the crust too, and I like the crust. Okay, just butter evenly all across the bread, all the way to the edges. Done. After that, we sprinkle in the garlic as much as you like. Some people like a lot of garlic. Garlic. These are chopped celery leaves. Okay. Again, put as little or as much as you like. Now here is a very unusual ingredient. These are actually processed sausages, which I actually chop it finely. Processed sausages, very easy to find. Sprinkle it on. And finally, some mixed herbs. Sprinkle on it. Then, with your same knife, you wipe it on. Get as evenly spread as possible throughout the whole piece of bread. It will stick because of the butter. Okay, I think we got a nice piece here. Alright, all done. That's it. And then we do for the rest of the pieces that I've already buttered. After that, we put it into the oven tray. This is to go into the oven. Preheat the oven for a while and then place in all the bread into the oven for about 10 minutes at about 170 degrees. Now we have reached our time. Time to take out. Oh, nice. So this is how I want them to be. So this is how we want the bread to be. Crispy and fragrant. There you go. Okay, now let's try a piece. Let me crunch it. Wholesome goodness of the bread with every single ingredient inside. Garlic, processed sausages, celery leaves. This is something that you could try and do at home. Oh, I've seen garlic butter spread being sold in a lot of grocery shops outside. Now, With this recipe, you can actually make it yourself at home, right? This recipe is perfect for a lunchbox or even for a kid to bring to school, or a simple breakfast for a Sunday morning. If you like what I just shared with you, kindly like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and in the comments, please share your thoughts with me. I hope you enjoy this and see you again. Bye!